Today's video is gonna be quick. 6 tips, 30 seconds each on how to turn your junior developers into seniors. How to make it enjoyable for everyone and allow them to unlock their senior potential. Even for the same position, do not mentor every developer the same way. You have to tailor your approach. For example, if you're hiring a JS developer, make a list, few things that you want to track. Front-end architecture, back-end architecture, system infrastructure, how well the developer works with the UI, with tests, with data structures. And in some of those things they might be perfect, so do not waste your time and their time on that. And in some areas they might be falling back. Spend time on that instead. As you probably know, there are some juniors that are gonna ask you 7, 8, 9 questions today, and there are some juniors that are gonna ask you 0 questions a month. Both require attention and a tailored approach. If juniors are asking you quote unquote too many questions, it's actually a signal for you to document your processes more and better. Your databases, your code structure, you know it. And if you have junior developers not asking you anything, again, it's up to you to empower them. John, what are you working on? Do you need anything? Every single day. Think about this. The junior developer might be the person with the least technical training in your team, and then you also have a situation where your team is biased against working with juniors. So the new person is probably isolated and fearful. Complete loss. Make sure there's always a mentor for that person. Of course, they have to go through the entire training, but also make sure it's all curated to their needs, their interests as well. At least a tiny bit. The ultimate goal was, is, and always will be to make juniors self-reliant as soon as possible. I hope you do code reviews unrelated to junior developers, but to make those juniors at ease. Make sure they know you're not just reviewing their code, everyone's code is always reviewed. Here's a list of what to look in the code. And apart from commenting what could be better, make sure to point out what's good, so they feel happy about it. Also a tip, use the word nit for nitpicking comments where the code is good, but it could be better. Look, I have the first request for you. If you're not already leveraging pair programming, please give it a try for the next junior role. For a bit of extra cost, and it's a time cost, you will get code with less bugs, better code quality. You will actually bring that junior up to speed 5 times faster, and the social component, those two developers working together will obviously create bonds. You'll have a beautiful, beautiful team. Give it a go. I don't know if you have heard of this story. Let me read it for you. This is from a junior developer. I accidentally destroyed production database on first day of job and was told to leave. On top of this, I was told by the CDO that they're gonna need to get legal involved. How beep am I? Juniors, start with assigning them a few bugs to squash. Proceed to trivial tasks, and then it's a smooth sail from there onwards. If you ever get a chance to mentor a junior developer, be mindful of the fact they're just getting started. Make sure their training is structured, but tailored a bit as well. It's gonna take time, but it's always worth it. As always, see you next Thursday.